Welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on machine learning using Python. We have gone through many videos on face recognition system using opencv, using TK interlibrary, using Stimulite, using face login, face alignment, and many more. Today's video is really innovative and creative and simple. It is really simple video of face recognition. First of all, we'll go through the initial state of the program. We can see here in database one image is there, and in images one image is there, and main file and R cascade file for opencv. So nothing is there. Now I will go through the program code. This is the program code for face recognition. Now I will execute the program. Yes. Now I will take the image from the database. Yes, one face was recognized. We can see here result is there. Yes, face has been recognized. My name is there and my, so I successfully done with face recognition using a simple style using opencv and face recognition module. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back more and more creative videos on machine learning, face recognition, face detection, Stimulite, then fruits and vegetable classification, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, then speech recognition. Plenty of videos I done on speech recognition, then OpenAI. So keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.